It's John Ewell, and I am 74 years old. I was in a motorcycle accident. And if you're a motorcycle rider, you understand that hitting an object is really not an option. The best chance you have for survival is to lay the bike down, which is what I did. Slammed on the brakes and laid it down on the asphalt at 45 miles an hour. According to the police report, I slid, they estimate, around 60 feet. My left side was trashed. My elbow, my shoulder, my knee these were equivalent to second and third degree burns. So, I mean, it was ugly. In the photographs, while they're ugly, they don't really give you a sense of how deep these things were. So it was a very severe, it could have been a really bad outcome. The physician said it could take, months for these things to heal. And within a week, I saw an appreciable improvement in my wounds. So in 9 weeks, I'm pretty much completely healed. I have a little scarring here on my elbow. It really accelerated the wound healing process. In my mind, it was critical in decreasing the wound healing time.